You know what? I strongly recommend Globus Gates. For anybody thinking of doing some kind of backyard remodel, look what this fence did to this backyard. It's the main feature that I really enjoy and will enjoy for many years, because this stuff, from what I hear, is rust proof and have a lot of water out here. So that's one of the big concerns I had. Globus Gates by far delivered. Very proud.
Okay, it's Chris with Globus Gates. We're here with Mel, hopefully a happy client. What are your thoughts about Globus? Are you satisfied with our job so far?
Hey Chris, I'm extremely satisfied. Everything that you promised, you delivered. As you could see, and when we first met, and Chris, I appreciate you stopping by not once, twice, but 3 times to make me feel comfortable with this deal.
Right.
I checked other people. I found you on social media. I kept on looking at your videos, and you convinced me based on what the product you delivered. And when you came out the first time, you told me, hey Mel, take your time. We'll come out again, and then we'll measure again. And that's what I appreciated, because I had several people come out to me, and not only did you beat them by price, but you put me online with the boss.
Right.
And that made me feel like a valued customer, and I really do appreciate this.
Right.
As you can see, Chris, this is a beautiful accent to my backyard. I'm more than happy with what you've done, and you know, I'll truly recommend your product to anybody that I come across.
Thank you, thank you. Mel, the backyard looks amazing with that remodeled pool, with that black modern fence in the back, that artificial grass. And then I think this part right here is coming soon, huh?
Yeah, this is a drop-down fire pit that I kind of designed here, and we're almost done with it, but we have to add some additional features. But again, your fencing complements my whole yard, and that's what I envisioned. And I was able to do that by all the videos that you post.
Yeah.
And I remember I reached out to you the first time, and you were driving from a distance.
Right.
And you came out, and I felt bad that you had to come out a second time, but that's what a customer like me appreciates it.
That's how we always
I really do appreciate what you delivered, and
absolutely.
And not only that, you know, you came back and one of the delivered an extra caps and an extra board for me, so I appreciate that.
That's right. Thank you, Mel. We appreciate
thank you, Chris.
your business.
I appreciate it.
It was a pleasure doing business with you.
I'm excited. I'm almost done, but I'm really excited. Thank you, Chris.
Absolutely. All right, Mel. Thank you very much.
Globus Gates.